Argue with me as much as you like about rubbish on the beach, saying it's coming from other countries, but this is a place that people come and park their cars and look. You know, yogurt bottles, plastic bottles, carrier bags. Look at it all. All these beer bottles, cans, Galician beer. Yeah. So now you're going to say it comes from somewhere else? There's the ocean just down there. So, I mean, it's everywhere you go. I mean, it's just amazing how much rubbish there is. It's in the bushes over there. Wherever you look. So it's here, over there, it's up here. That rubbish is there, okay, and people come in their cars. There's a bin just there. Plastic here. It's in the bush over there. You see, I say it's ridiculous. It really is. 2018. There's plastic there. Black plastic there. Starsky&Hutch. I mean, this is the winter's time, don't forget. Hating what it's like when all the tourists come. Rubbish there. It's in the bushes over there. What's going to be like? I think it goes from 10,000 something to like 30,000 people more. Plastic bag up there. More polystyrene. It's just everywhere. Literally everywhere. So, that's it.